So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, you want to select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. And now once you're on this, we're going to enable safe mode with networking. So you want to click on either 5 or F5 on your keyboard. So click on 5 or F5, which will now take us into safe mode. And now once you're on safe mode, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. You want to uninstall everything that says USB root hub and USB root hub 3.0. Don't worry, we're going to get it back. So you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. I've now uninstalled it. You want to uninstall everything else that says USB root hub or USB root hub 3.0. You also want to uninstall any recent added drivers such as webcam drivers or keyboard drivers or mouse drivers. Once you uninstall that, for the last step, you want to restart your computer. It's now going to take you back into Windows and it's going to automatically reinstall all your drivers again, and then the problem should be fixed.